Welcome everybody to the Drip Network Sizzle video to give you a small presentation on why it's so powerful to join this movement. Have you ever wanted to be an investor? Have you ever wanted to take your money and make your money grow for you? Have you ever wanted to achieve financial freedom? Have you ever wanted to find an easy and effective way to grow your income and be financially free over the next 12 to 24 months? If you do not have a strategy, you want to pay attention to this really quick, because I'm going to talk to you about Drip Network, which is a cryptocurrency that is actually paying 1% compound interest per day for your initial amount that you invest, and you can actually continue to invest that 1% every day to gain compound interest. So what I'm going to do is go down here to the faucet, and the faucet is where you would actually, when you buy your drip, you would put it into the faucet and earn 1%. So as you see here, it says Drip Network Faucet is a low risk, high reward contract that operates similarly to a high yield certificate of deposit. Players can participate by purchasing drip from the platform swap and joining another user's drip team. It is now only one drip minimum requirement. And depositing drip into the faucet contract, it gives you a consistent 1% daily return on your actual drip. 365% payout massively. So we want to show you how this looks utilizing the drip calculator. Right now, drip currently at the time of this video, guys, is approximately about, let's see here, $78.55. So based on when you get in, this price can change, but the minimum is one drip. We have several people coming in with thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars, or just one drip. But what we're going to do in this demonstration is show you what a $500 investment would do over the next 12 to 24 months. So let's go ahead and look at a $500 worth of drip right now. That would be 6.37 drip, guys. And if I go to the drip calculator and I put this amount inside of the drip here, it'll show you right here in the summary what you would be earning. So let me just scroll down here where you see hydrate on the far left hand side. Let me scroll up to day one here, which is column 17 or row 17, and let me slide over and show you. In day one, you would start off at $5.21 a day. That is for the very first day, and every day after that, as you can see, it would start to increase. And as you can see, this is what you call compound interest. Why do we say that? See, when you earn that 1% a day, if you take that 1% and put it back into the pot, every day your pot is going to grow. So in this example, the very first day, you're going to earn $5.16 per day. So that means in the first 30 days, roughly, you'll earn about $154 in the first 30 days on a one-time investment of $500. Now let's look at the power of compound interest here, and let's scroll down, guys, and see the hydration period here. Let's scroll down to 365 days and see what we're looking like in 365 days. So as you can see, column number 381 or row 381 is 365 days. If I slide over a year from now, guys, you will be earning $162.85 per day with a one-time $500 investment. Let's go ahead and look at that and see what that looks like for the month. 162.85 times $30 equals, we're talking about over $4,800 a month, guys, with 1% compound interest. All you did was invest $500, invest your 1% back all year long, guys, and now you've created an income for yourself of over $4,800 a month. Let me show you here really quickly. If you have vision, guys, and you stretch yourself out to a 24-month game plan, and we're talking about 730 days, let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like, guys. 730 days, which would be row 746. Let's slide over through compound interest, guys. We're literally talking about $5,135 per day, guys. Let's pull that up on a calculator through compound interest, guys, and determine how much is that. So let me pull up my calculator here real quick for you. Right, let's pull this up and let's calculate $1,535.51 times 30 days, guys, equals over $154,000 per month 2 years from now off of a single one-time $500 investment. So this is the power of compound interest. When you go to drip.community, it takes you here to the corporate website where you can actually get your drip and stake your drip in for 1%. However, this 1%, guys. It is a membership only. It is an invite only, which means you have to know someone who's already receiving 1% compound interest. This means that you have to have a buddy. As you see here, I have a current buddy. When you go to drip.community and you go to the faucet, when you scroll down here, it's gonna be blank here with an open area here to put in someone's buddy address. Okay, if you were in, whoever invited you to this video, what you want to do is get their buddy address and put it in here, and it's going to be a button that says update. You want to update them to your buddy. If I'm the person that personally showed you this, you want to use my address. It will be on YouTube. If you're finding this on YouTube, in the description as well, to update and put a buddy here. Once you have a buddy, guys, you would be able to take your BNB. You would buy drip by clicking here on drip. You would come here and buy a certain amount of your drip, and then once you have your drip, guys, from the fountain, you would go back to the faucet, you would deposit your drip here, and then your stats will show here in your deposit. So whatever you deposit here would show into your deposit, and your max payout will always be 365% times this number. Okay, and whatever numbers in your deposit, you can multiply that times 1%, and that's going to show here in your daily. So if you have $500 invested in here, guys, 1% of $500 is $5 a day. So every day you're going to see this available balance go $5 increments. Okay, it's going to grow every single day. You have a choice. You can claim it and pull this money out, or you can redeposit the 1% back into the deposits, giving you more deposits, which means now you're gaining compound interest. And this is how you get to a 6 or 7 figure income in the next 24 months. So if you're excited, guys, and you're ready to rock and roll, and you want to start getting this 1% compound interest today, reach out to the person who invited you to this video. Make sure that you get their buddy address. Once again, if I am the person that introduced you, or you have no one that introduced you and you found this video on YouTube, I'll put my buddy information in the description below. Use that buddy information, guys. You get plugged into our team, and the great thing about our team is, guys, all of the commissions that I personally earn as a leader, 20% of that goes back into the downline, into the people that I had actually referred, or that's a part of the organization. So you win off of my success as well too. We all win off of each other's success. So let's go out here and make it a great one. Hope you enjoyed this video, and like I always say, we won't see you at the top, we'll see you over the top, because you're built for greatness. So if you're ready to get started, click the get started button below. If you're on the corporate website, if you're not sure how to get your hands on drip, look at the information below on the corporate website. I have some social tags there where you can reach me personally on all my social sites. Reach out to me then, guys. I'll personally walk you through, show you how to become a part of the drip community and get that 1% compound interest a day. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys, and until next time, let's make it a great one. Peace. Let's go.